Hi, it's Christy at the Bureau and welcome to your weekend weather update for Friday the 5th of July. We're going to be talking about the rain developing over Central Australia and the cold front for Western Australia, but let's start by talking about the cold morning we had this morning. We can see these large areas of light blue, white and even light pinks which show areas near or below zero. And particularly across parts of Western Australia, including Carnarvon and Geraldton, also southern Northern Territory and Tasmania, it was the coldest morning of the year in some locations, even after the cold mornings we've had over the last few days. Down at Lyowini, minus 12.6, the coldest place in the country. But look at Launceston, minus 5.4 at the airport, a new July record there, and 0.9 at Hobart, the coldest morning in 2 years. So that's being driven by this large high pressure system that's sitting near Tasmania, giving us those cool and clear mornings. It's also driving these winds coming off the water onto the east coast, giving us showers along the east coast. But over Central Australia, we have an upper low pressure system interacting with this surface trough, giving us patchy rain and thunderstorms over South Australia and also parts of inland Queensland. Now over in Western Australia, by Sunday morning, this cold front is approaching, and ahead of that, we have strong northerly winds that will be potentially giving us some damaging wind gusts there and also some elevated high tides. And that system will move across the Southwest Land Division on Sunday, bringing showers there. Also, as we move into the new week, this system will extend the rainfall into the eastern states from southern Queensland through New South Wales and also into Victoria as it starts to interact with this cold front that's moved across the bight. So how much rainfall are we expecting? Over in the west, mostly single-digit rainfall, this light blue and green area, but along the coast where there could be some thunderstorm activities, potentially some higher falls. Over Central Australia, widespread falls of between 10 and 30 millimetres, but some of these pink areas showing the potential for up to 50 millimetres or more, which could for some parts of the world be a whole month's rainfall in one day, and that could impact roads, particularly dirt roads. So if you're travelling in this area over the weekend, make sure you check the traffic conditions. Along the east coast, showers continuing over the weekend and into next week, particularly along the North Tropical Coast, where we could see 20 to 50 millimetres, particularly around the Cassowary Coast each day over the weekend. We also have a severe weather warning. This is for damaging wind gusts up to around 90 kilometres an hour along the Flinders Ranges and also the areas just to the west of that as the winds accelerate as they come off the slopes. Now this is mostly for Saturday morning. Winds should be tending to ease as we move into Saturday afternoon. Our temperatures on Saturday morning, once again a frosty morning potentially through the west and also down in the southeast. Just as cold in Tasmania tomorrow morning as it was this morning, so that road weather alert for icy roads continues and will continue into Sunday and Monday as well. Maximum temperatures during the day mostly near or slightly below average, but the wind chill along the east coast will make those temperatures seem a little colder than they look. Sunday morning, another frosty morning over in the west and the southeast. In fact, for Victoria, this could be the coldest morning, just 1 degree in Melbourne. And during the day, maximum temperatures mostly once again near or slightly below average. And that's it for our weather update. As always, stay up to date with your latest forecasts on the Bureau's website and our app, and have a great weekend.